Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to run the one application in my new Windows 11 laptop and it shows Windows protected your PC. Microsoft Defender SmartScreen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Running this app might put your PC at risk. And in followed by it shows an option called more info, but there is no more option is not available to run this application. So I try to press more info. So now this time it shows the application name and publisher, and also it has the one option called run anyway. So what is the meaning of this message and how to overcome it? So my suggestion is this is not a error message, which means that this is type of security warning coming from Windows Defender. So once you got this message, don't try to run this kind of applications, and this is very risk. At same time, some users are asked to me how to disable this pop-up message permanently. So my answer is this is very simple. So just open your settings menu, and in left side it shows some settings category. So here I try to select privacy and security. So next you can click to open Windows security. So now I try to open this Windows security, and here all my Windows security feature is enabled. So just tap this first one, virus and threat protection. So next you can click to access manage settings. So here you can click to turn off all the settings. So after you done these processes, and one more time you can try to open that same file. So I hope now this time it does not show that previously occurred pop-up message. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.